Clean all the poop.
Who's poop?
Doggy poop and bad poop.
Ew. We're gonna go clean your poop. We're gonna go clean. Oh no, you dropped your treasure.
Hey, bad boy, doggy.
Okay, so here we are in the backyard. Here's Jakey. Jakey's eating. Hi, Jakey. Hi, Jakey. Jakey's our Cocker Spaniel. He's super cute. Super, super, super cute. And Buddy's our Golden Retriever.
And I.
Super loving.
And the ball.
Dogs are amazing.
The ball, baby.
And this is the yard that's full of poop back here. And because it is autumn, I really have to clean it all up. I gotta cut the grass and kind of clean this all up. I don't know why my dogs keep digging and putting things everywhere. I need to make more of an effort to walk them. And there's Charlie. Charlie, are you gonna be my pooper scooper?
What?
Are you gonna be my pooper scooper?
I'm not helping you.
You're not helping me, or you're gonna help me?
I think my neck and go over see my face.
Okay.
Bye
All right.
bye.
I was just picking up some sticks, and somebody went into my makeup bag, and
This is my neck. You can't touch my neck because you don't.
that's my makeup, you goofy. Stop. Don't put that stuff on. You look cuckoo maluku.
And I go work.
Stop.
I see all my face.
No.
Okay.
So what I use to clean the poops is this little thing that, I forgot where I bought it. I think it's some pet store. And this little rake that I actually bought at Dollarama for $3. Now I have to clean this whole thing. See how much poop I find. The bag's empty, so let's start our treasure. What are these two goofs doing? Our treasure hunt. I don't know if they're mad or they're playing or... Hey! Jake! Come on. It's enough. Alright, let's get this party started. You guys can see there's actually that purple stuff. It's just a piece of chalk. But there's poop everywhere. We just gotta find it. You'll see it more will come up when after I cut the lawn. Right now we're doing section by section. And there's a nasty piece of poo right there. And there's some more poo. Pine cone. Poo. 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 Well, nursing, you're gonna clean a lot of poo too, so just have to keep going. Poo's part of life. And this is how much poop we got. I'm sure there's more there, and we'll see it come up when I mow the lawn.